they haven't gotten into what took place in the past. They're just kind of like, they're making small talk. Because, see, they're trying to have the strength to tell you what it is that they want. They're trying to tell you what happened. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. See, the Page of Cups just tried to come out. I'm telling you, this person wants to give you an offer. And they're trying to have the confidence to do it, but they're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. See, Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpio, but yeah, I'm telling you, this person feels like they're not going to have a new start because, see, they were moving slow in the past, but now they want to move things forward. They want to quickly make a move because, see, they're trying to remove themselves out of this, like, toxic behavior. If there was, like, a toxic situation, look, that they felt stuck in, they're trying to basically remove themselves so they can come towards you. Could be dealing with a Capricorn here. But I'm also picking up, like, yeah, they're going to have to open up and say something to you. But they're frustrated right now. And, see, they're trying to decide on how exactly to go about doing this. But, yeah, they're isolating themselves. I told you, I thought you're not talking. Whoever this is resonating for, you're not talking to this person right now. There's no communication. Because they're isolating themselves. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Tell me more. Yeah, see? Oh, my gosh. They're not putting in the work right now. Because, see, they're trying to free themselves from a situation. That's them, you know, if it's a love interest, they're going to be single, family, friends, whatever it is. Like, I'm telling you, they're gonna get out. They're going to get out of the situation, but they're afraid it's too late, you know? They're afraid that you don't want to build with them anymore. But I feel like they're hoping that you're not upset with them anymore. Yeah, see, they don't want you to walk away from them. Okay, so now it's like they're confident, but they didn't balance things out. You did everything in the past, Scorpio, and this is why right now they're having a hard time with this. Somebody's dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Why is the Five of Wands here? Yeah, they're battling themselves because they love you. I do feel like they started it was a lot of drama, a lot of mess, conflict here. But they're going to speak their truth to you. They're going to tell you that they love you and that they want to move forward with you. They want something real with you, but at the same time, they just don't know how exactly to go about doing this. Tell me more. Yeah, see, they're dragging their feet right now. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Look at that. Someone's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. The fact of the matter is I'm seeing two people here. That's the problem. Didn't I say they cause a lot of drama, chaos? There's two people. Even though I'm seeing two men, y'all know how I feel about my court cards. It could be two women, but there were definitely two people here. This is the problem. This person that you were dealing with, the deception was they had other options. They're trying to get rid of this other individual or the other options that they had. Like they were basically being a player, you know? And they don't want you to let them go. They don't. Look at that. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Somebody's dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but I'm picking up, you guys are just, like, focusing on you. I've been getting that a lot. This is a lot of people, you guys worried about this past person, if they were coming back, but now you guys are just in this energy where you're like, I don't care. At this point, I deserve better. I'm going to get myself together, and that's what I've been seeing. I love that energy because you're focusing on you. You're healing right now, and you're moving forward, and this person is picking up on it because that's why they're keeping an eye on you. They're watching you, because they know you're moving on, and they're afraid that because they didn't balance things out, there's no way that you're going to give them another chance. They're losing hope, and they're not using their intuition. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here. But they do want things to improve with you, Scorpio. But they're sad. Yeah, this person was sneaky. This person was really sneaky, very manipulative. Somebody was dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like, yeah, see, now they want to communicate with you. They want to tell you about some type of third-party situation, but they feel like once they open up, there's a chance that you guys are not going to move forward. Yeah, see, because they were in something very codependent. And, yeah, they betrayed you. They kept stabbing you in the back because of the situation. Some of you guys could have been dealing with the Pisces. But I'm telling you, it's like they're wanting to speak their truth. They're wanting to come clean because, look, they want to turn things around with you. Yeah, see? 2 6s. Could be family. Some type of family situation. But, yeah, there was something that took place in their past. Yeah, and this is why they were being sneaky. But I'm seeing that they're making changes. Because, look, they're making plans to come towards you. They want to have a new opportunity with you. But right now, Scorpio, this person is having a hard time. Because they do want to give you the Ace of Cups. They want to give you everything. The question is, are you going to accept it? What did I just say? The question is, are you going to accept it? Because you see with the 4 Cups, this person's like, nope, nope. And that's how they're thinking. They're like, man, he or she, they're not going to take my offer. Because I was being a player, you know? I played around with this person's heart, their trust. But now they want to rush in because, see, they're over here trying to manifest you, trying to have a new start. Because, look, they want a family with you. You're their wish fulfillment. And, see, they had you waiting. And they're coming out of being frustrated. But, see, they had you waiting because of this third-party situation and it broke your heart. But there's going to be some type of tower moment. I feel like they want to fix your broken heart. But whatever this shakeup is, something's taking place on their end. And I feel like it's making them uncomfortable. Because they've been playing around for far too long. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But, yeah, see, it's something with their stability. You see what I'm saying? There's going to be some type of shakeup. I'm still feeling like they're worried that you're not going to take this offer. But I'm wondering if something pertains to their karma, it has something to do with their money. Let me see. Let's see what comes out. Yep. I feel like it's something's going on with their money. Oh, y'all, justice is being served. Let's see. Yeah, this person is afraid. I don't even know how that landed. This person is afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. And they're possibly afraid that things aren't improving with their finances. The fact that the 2 of Cups came out and then the Hierophant came out, I was like, I don't really know how it's landing because it was on my arm. I'm telling you, it's like they want to have a commitment with you, but they're unsure if it's going to happen because they were entertaining someone else, or they were involved with someone else, or they were obligated to someone else. See? And you had to cut them off. Could have been dealing with an air... There's the Hierophant. Could have been dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Somebody could have been dealing with the Taurus. But I'm telling you, somebody had to end a relationship. Someone possibly had to get out of a marriage. Somebody had to get out of a contract. There's something someone had to end. But at the end of the day, because this person was playing with you, Scorpio, you left them alone. You had to cut them off because they were playing around. See? They were playing around. It was definitely a third-party situation here. But I'm seeing here somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Even though these 2 women aren't side by side, I keep looking at both of them. You see what I'm saying? The fact that I saw 2 men before, now I'm seeing 2 women. There was a third party here. And you guys were like, you know what? No, I'm not second option to anyone. You can stay where you are. And see, the 5 of Swords just tried to jump out. This person felt like they lost you. Look, and there's the 5 of Swords. Come on, Spirit, yes, okay? There's the 5 of Swords. I'm telling you, they feel like they lost you. You know, and they're frustrated by that because now they're feeling like the decision that they made to entertain someone else or to help someone else, whether it's family or love interest, they're not happy in that situation. And right now, they're trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you. But see, they have to make a decision. And I'm seeing that they are going to be coming out of being frustrated, but they're not happy right now. They're not happy with their choices. Yeah, see, they're stuck. They're still trying to figure something out. Tell me more. Queen of Cups. Somebody's dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Yeah, this person's trying to make a decision. Because right now, they're not taking the leap. Because they know they were being very immature and childish. This person knows that they hurt you. They know it. And they know your guard is up. So they're trying to figure out, okay, how can I come back towards Scorpio or cross-watcher? If you're dealing with a Scorpio, or you were dealing with a Scorpio, how can I go back and make things right with cross-watcher? You know, take it however it fits. But yeah, y'all gotta leave me some comments. This one's interesting too.